So now we come again to this default.html notepad file. You can see within the head section we have deployed the embedded style sheet, and where we have written style type equals to text slash css, then we have started p, then we have declared that inside the p we are giving this declaration list, and it would be applicable to all the paragraph text given within the body section. Imagine that we have 100 notepad files with the similar deployment, and we have to copy and paste on the 100 notepad files again and again to deploy those 100 files. I have already written the external style sheet in the title, and I have created another notepad file with the name of default2.html, and we have created a third notepad file with the default3.html. In the browser we have all these files opened, and we are having our default.html with the declaration list implemented. So what we have to do for implementing the declaration list in all of it is copy and paste this style tag in all of it. So copying it from the default.html and pasting it inside default2.html and file, then save it, then refresh. Okay, now we have the modification in the external style sheet 2. Now for the default 3.html we will again copy and paste it, file, save, go to browser, to the external style sheet 3. Now we will refresh it, and you can see that this is default 2, default 3 and default 1. Imagine if there are 100 files there, so uh, I have to do the operation of copying and pasting 100 times. So for saving time and the load of the website, what we have to do is we have to carry out the external style sheet. How we will do is, you can see, you can watch and learn. Just see the slide of the external style sheet I have shown you earlier. We have what we have to just remember that we have to create a .css file containing the list of declaration blocks, and this .css file is linked to the various web pages to apply similar styles. Just remember these two lines, and again we come to the desktop. We have opened a new notepad file. What we will do here is we will open the default.html file. We will maximize the default.html file, and we will copy and paste the declaration of p paragraph tag, and then we will paste it on the new notepad file. Then we will go to file and save it as with the name of main.css. So we have created our .css file, and then we will save it. You can see on the left hand side we have our main.css file saved. So coming on to the previous notepad files, what we will do is we have to just erase this p declaration from every previous notepad file. Okay, we have to also erase this style tag also. So we are removing the style tag, and we are saving all of them. Now for the default 2.html we are removing the style tag and then saving it. Now from the default 3.html we are removing this. So now we will implement the external style sheet. We will refresh each of the files in the browser also, so it has gone to the default. Again we are showing you the slide that now after those two lines which I have told you earlier to remember, just see this third point. To link HTML and CSS files we use link tag. So we have our four files there, one with the name of default.html, another with the name of default2.html, third one with the name of default3.html, and we have created a .css file with the name of main.css, and there we have given the declaration of paragraph inside it with the declaration list. So what we will do, we have to create a link unpair tag inside the head tag. After title we will start the link unpair tag space href equals to double inverted commas main.css space type equals to text or css within the double inverted commas relation equals to double inverted commas start, and then the style sheet. Then this unpair tag is closed. This is how we are going to implement external style sheet. file save, go to browser, refresh the default.html file, and then you can see how we have modified default.html with the help of this link unpair tag. Now similar thing we will do for the default 2.html, then for the default 3.html. Okay, now done. So you can see that we have our main.css file, and with the help of main.css file we have deployed the declaration list for the 3.html files. So these are the three methods how we are going to apply the styles. First one was the inline style, then the embedded style, then the external style. So this is it guys. That's all for today, and we will learn much deeper about the CSS on the upcoming sessions. If you get confused, watch the video again, and if you have any query you can ask me again and again. Thank you guys. Take a good care of yourselves.